All right, Biol-16. Well, here we are, the last lab activity. I'm double checking in right now. I know I didn't turn in a video this week. I kind of figured we were, you knew what was happening. But I wanted to remind you, please turn in your specimens. You can turn them in anytime this week. Now we have Thursday and Friday. We have our rabbit barrels out. Please put your rabbit bodies or your rabbit specimens in this barrel, all other specimens in this barrel, and your boxes here on the side. We recycle all of these items. And please submit your picture as you're putting them in. So show me that you were there. This will give you your points for your lab assignment this week. And yeah, you take your quiz and walk away. I am still grading videos. That was a lot of videos. So I will have that done. Grades will be posted. I have to have them in by the 25th. So I hope you guys had a good semester. Let me know if you need anything. Be safe. Take care as we reintroduce ourselves to an open world. Get your vaccines. Science works, people. Science works. And take care. I hope you have a great summer, and I will see you back at Merced College. Have a great day.